Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. It is a B6 model, but we've got a B6.2 pickguard. And you notice we've got one pickup. So that's pretty cool. That is a rail hammer, and of course you've got Bigsby. We got all the stuff, all the details. Check out the video details on that thing over there. You know where all the writing is. Yeah. Check that out. That part where all the writing. Anyway, it gives you all the details. It's a 27-inch baritone. I got it tuned B to B, and I'm going to give you a sound sample. I'm going to do the loop thing like I've been doing lately, and no excuses. I'm not the greatest player. That's all. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let's see. Let's get a rhythm going. No. 5/4. No, not that in the mood. No, not to the metronome. Come on, let's get a. Give me a beat. Give me a beat. Bossa Nova, swing. No. Yeah, do that. Sounds chaotic enough. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, let's do it. This thing's got a kill switch, and I'm not afraid to use it. Let's get a little chorus on there. A little drive. Let's get some drive. yeah, it's a pretty simple guitar. Simple in a good way. You know, we keep it nice and clean with the single pickup, a little kill switch there. We did have some push action going that just basically splits it, so it's no longer a humbucker, but got a single coil. Got roller bridge. Again, all this stuff's in the details, but we got the B5. We've got lock and tuners over here from Gotoh. And look at that neck. Isn't that a pretty one right there? Yep, so we got the good old walnut, maple walnut action going. Got a little bit of sapwood in there with the walnut too, so you got 2 tones of walnut. And of course the flame maple fretboard. What can I say? It's a wonderful guitar. We've got a nice light basswood body with walnut on the top. Did this nice little paint job. I think it's pretty cool, that little Faded Daphne thing going on there. And you know, Kevin's been very patiently waiting for this guitar, so hopefully you like the little demo there, Kevin. And the photo essay will be up on the Facebook page here shortly, probably tomorrow. We'll see what happens. I do have a guitar show we're going to, but we'll see what happens there and get this thing going. So thanks again, folks, for tuning into Dude Craft Guitars. Here in a couple days, should be seeing a red one here on display. So there you go. Thanks again for tuning into Dude Craft Guitars.